So this is a suling from Indonesia, S-U-L-I-N-G, made of rosewood, I believe. Look, it has a fipple, just like a German recorder. And this is a American Indian drone flute. It gets one note the whole time, but if you overblow it, it gets a second one. And then, of course, the other side is adjustable, just like a regular American Indian flute. First time I've tried them together. It's interesting. It's fun to try. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Todd Hoover La Jolla.